Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Can I withdraw money with Monese? Now, I know that Monese is a relatively new bank, so it's understandable that people might have some questions about it. And to be honest, I had a few questions myself when I first started using Monese. So, in this video, I'm going to answer the question, can I withdraw money with Monese? And I'm also going to share some other tips and tricks that I've learned about using Monese. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to withdraw money from an ATM, but you didn't have a bank account? If so, then you know how frustrating it can be. But with Monese, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Monese is a mobile-only bank that allows you to withdraw money from ATMs all over the world. In fact, Monese has over 2 million ATMs in its network, so you're almost always going to be able to find one nearby. To withdraw money from an ATM, all you need to do is open the Monese app and tap on the withdraw button. Then, you'll need to enter the amount of money that you want to withdraw. Once you've done that, the Monese app will generate a unique code that you can use to withdraw money from the ATM. Simply enter the code into the ATM and you'll be able to withdraw your money. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips and tricks that I've learned about using Monese. Make sure that you have enough money in your account. You can't withdraw more money than you have in your account. Check the ATM's withdrawal limit. Some ATMs have a daily withdrawal limit. Be aware of the fees. Monese charges a fee for each ATM withdrawal. Use your Monese card to pay for things in stores. This is a great way to avoid ATM fees. Use the Monese app to track your spending. This can help you to stay on budget. So, the answer to the question, can I withdraw money with Monese, is yes. Monese is a great option for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable way to manage their money. With Monese, you can withdraw money from ATMs all over the world, pay for things in stores, and track your spending. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Monese, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. And until next time. If you're interested in learning more about Monese, please click on the link below. You can also sign up for a Monese account by clicking on the link below. Thanks again for watching. And until next time.